Hey friend, let's talk about content batching. Because if you've ever sat down to post on Instagram and 2 hours later, you're still staring at the screen with nothing scheduled and everything else on your to do list still waiting, you're not the only one. That used to be me every single week. Content used to feel like a full time job on top of running my actual design business, and I knew that something had to change. So here's what I do now instead. I batch. And all that really means is creating a bunch of content in one focused session instead of trying to come up with something new every single day or even every single week. It's not complicated, but it's powerful. When I sit down, I'm in content mode. I'm not bouncing between writing one caption, checking email, jumping on a client call, and then trying to finish the caption later. I stay in one lane and I get it done faster. Right now, today, I'm recording several YouTube videos all in one sitting. While my makeup is done, my hair is good, and my energy is fresh. There are a few reasons why content batching works. First, your brain doesn't have to keep switching tasks. When you're writing, you just write. When you're designing graphics, you just design. When you're recording YouTube videos, you just record. You get into a creative rhythm, and the quality is better because you're not multitasking. Second, it gives you freedom. When I batch a week or a month of content in one sitting, I can show up online consistently without spending hours every day trying to be creative on demand. It takes the pressure off. So no more scrambling, no more guilt or feeling behind. So let me walk you through what my process looks like for batching content. At the start of every month, I sit down and I map out what is coming up in the next few weeks. This might include product launches or promotions or just topics that I want to focus on. And I give each week a theme. It might be something like website tips one week, behind the scenes the next, fun color palettes another week. And then I write blog posts first. And those blog posts become the core piece of content for the week. And then from that blog post, I can pull out pieces of content and use them to create Instagram posts, email newsletters, Pinterest graphics, and maybe even a few stories or reels. One blog post can easily turn into 10 or more pieces of content across all of the different platforms, and it all connects back to the same message. If that feels like a lot, don't worry. You don't have to go all in right away. Start with one blog post, then turn it into 3 Instagram posts, one email, and then schedule all of it for the next week. And that's it. That's your first batch. You don't need a full day marathon. Just one focused hour can set you up for the next week. And if you continue on that pace, you'll start being scheduled weeks and even months out with your content. Once that all feels easy, you can build from there. Since I started batching, I've had more time, way less stress, and I actually enjoy creating content again. It's not about being perfect. It's about creating a system that works for your life and your business. Because content shouldn't run on your schedule. It should support your schedule. It should support your life. If this video was helpful, make sure that you give it a like and hit subscribe. We're always sharing tips to help creative business owners work smarter and build something sustainable. You've got this. Go batch your content and then go do something fun with all that time you just saved. Thanks, guys.